How can I upload a course to my Moodle? It's possible to save a course created on one Moodle site and upload it to a different Moodle site to adapt and reuse. When you save your course, the process is called backup, and when you add it or upload it to a different site, the process is called restore. Make sure the course backup ends in .mbz. If it ends in .nu.mbz, that means it's a backup without any users, which of course is fine. Click Site Administration, Courses, Restore Course. Upload or drag in the file and click Restore. Check all the settings and click Continue. The next screen is for deciding if the course should be uploaded as a new course, in which case a category must be selected, or if the backup should be restored into an existing course somewhere on the site. If so, choose the course and decide if the backup should replace or be added to existing content in that course. We'll restore it as a new course. Clicking Continue then displays another screen to check the settings, and we press Next again. The name and details of the course can be edited and specific activities selected if desired, and then, after a final check, there is a button Perform Restore. Once the process is complete, a green success message appears and the new course is now available. To summarise, an existing course may be uploaded and adapted by using the restore process.